Militani, wow, no catch. Puma when you go to it, Military one don't pass on the formula. That's why you get it to Namaku, can see a conference, making a Maku, no one don't pass on. So now, no one don't pass on, and the land go what's up. Come on, guys. You're getting my way.
Yeah, fam. Wherever you are, I bring you warm greetings. You understand? You saw what was happening. That is what you get with religion. When you are so much involved with this religion and some pastor keep smashing your head like that, then like it's a good thing. God is watching over these people being smashed in the head. That is the stupidity religion brings to the people. You understand? Okay, that was that. That is not what I'm talking about today. I'm talking about the fetishism, the Kaswa incidents, where we saw some two guys who wanted to get themselves rich at a very early stage. They had to kill somebody for that. You understand? They had to kill somebody for that. There are headlines, news making headlines, which is already rolling for here. You understand? So you can watch it as I keep talking. Listen. That youngsters, that young boys who have gone to kill somebody for rituals. Ask yourself how we got here as a people. We have to ask that question. Because how the hell can a young guy who is not even more than 18 years think of getting rich? And it doesn't even add up. But do we blame the young guys? Just look at the video. Me video natural. So what I said. Me in quality video natural. Then look at them. They are just young kids. Now, I don't even understand the fetish praise. I come for Jimmy Fono. So I say, come for Jimmy Fona and Kuala me anyway. About when him some of a pace cadra. Or say, okay, may I mamungo kuni. Ha! How did we get here? Watch the video. Okay, so Nkwalano. They are young kids. Nkwala. And oh comfort na say wunim nyansa because sika ye nyansa na epe. So what I say sika ye nyansa and epe. And oh comfort no so wunim nyansa. Obetimi ama Nkwala ne sika obetimi ama ma di ye at a very young age. Enye Jimmy semwa. Enye Jimmy sem ne so. How the hell? So betina say was it? Momrana meye drama mom wadi ye mungo kuni ha. Then we sit in this country. Then we allow these people to operate. Do you understand? And I hear some people talk about let's close the media houses. No media houses should show content of fetishism and doubling of money and all of that. I hear this all the time because Pratt has been saying that and the media commission has been come out to. They are talking trash. Media commission cried and said, so I say. But my problem is the solution to the problem. This problem is not a day old. This problem is not a day old. This problem has been here for a very long time. What is the solution to the problem? Your close media houses, no? Yama and Grafoni Koya advert to media houses in this one. Will that solve the problem that we are facing? Huh? And a comfort way as you share room. So what I say, almost share in room. And almost some word draw. Oh, word draw, Unia. So also word draw. One go shame room. Ena. And grofo ba wa na dada omo de omo fa sebe ensem hu so. So that's it. One go shame room. So would rather na makro. Sadie we ya wo. What we need is a strong leader who can give the order go ahead or pass a law illegalizing the act. That is the only solution to the problem, because you are illegalizing the act now. This problem will still go on. And Gravoni go kum, and Kwalan go kum. Sa Kwalan, I ba media in India, Yakawasem. What about Tomwa? Omukunipa, Ayu? People have been doing it. And Musolia and Sakawana Musolia says, Sakawana are conforming you are Sakawabakoso. Money rituals and the blood rituals, blood sacrifice, no, say are conforming you are Abakoso. So the solution to the problem is not the media houses now. Catch up the moment by advert was no. It is passing a bill into law, illegalizing the act of fetishism. The practice of fetishism must be illegalized in the whole of Africa. Legalize the act and let us see if somebody will have the guts to even go to the TV screen to go and advertise. That is the solution to the problem. And let us send our military say lock down the buyer, lock down and the buyer get the military men. A soldier for you, the soldier for go chrome na mo bunker for lock down a buy. Yet the soldier for be go chrome a mama bunker for. When there is traffic, you're rolling what we call police for to go to direct traffic. This is a problem. This problem has to be solved. And how can we solve the problem? Just pass the bill into law. Then order your men, military men, let them go and shut these shrines down. Shut them down. Baby, let's shut it down. When we shut it down, now so see our bosom, we also Bibia, Namibia, I see your natural God now. Let him come. What? We need brave leaders. Leaders who can take brave decisions. Go ahead and shut it down. Muntutum. Close it down. Near say, a conform is over to me. Oh, to me, I don't have a conform with your mind. Huh? O my mua conform is over to me. Say too many I did your mind, too many I did rule my. And Kayama conform and as a fetish priest, no, and made your mind. And yet to me, a young son, you do your mind. It is our penina with your mind and no soon in Yansan. What you have to do is find Yansasam, never shutting it down. Because I didn't Yansasam no, a young Quasiasam. So what I say, a Yansadia, a year Jimmysam. I conform the more year Jimmysam. The solution to the problem is once shut it down. When civilization is growing, we have to grow with civilization. We don't have space for this nonsense. Yet your mom getting. Echo Pesicadro. Shut it down. Shut your precious of fetishism down. Here ready, Bessie. Sana here. Now sorry, cry. Omo didi kwa shut in down. Here ready, Bessie. We have to dare the gods. That is it. We have to dare the gods. We don't have to just sit down because somebody said there is too many people. Shut it down and let's see. Dare the gods. Jimmy Sam ne question no some be kunkum ya mukum ya ne hade. Yesi ya mpa Jimmy Sam ya penya sade e grofo nso ya Jimmy Sam. Etisi yesi ya shati omo ne mane da na so mo se na nanum be kunkum ya. Mo ma na nanum kunkum ya. Ye ti omo ani. Jimmy Sam sa ne yeso so Jimmy Sam sa ne yeso so. Now don't blame the kids. There is a problem with the leadership we face in this country. We are faced with a leadership problem. The leadership crisis has reached a crescendo. You understand? 2016, you won't too many. I see a Dunkatiamo, acquire what Tamale Hobby. So I said, I'm going to so I'm going to Chicha in for Goose Media. So I said, you want to walk or since you come, retro one other. When you do these things, what do you expect the followers to do? As leaders, you should lead an exemplary life, then this is the life you are living. 2016, we saw what happened. The leadership, the form for power and all of that. Jimmy. Penifo do my name Jimmy or my phone in Jimmy. So that's it. Penifo do my name, no my Jimmy, or my phone in Jimmy. How did we get here? How did we get here? So the solution to the problem is not with the media houses terminating contract with these fetish guys. And the radio nini na TV or nini na konfwa di swafa. Anya konfwa asovo for empenifo ni mamucha my for intro. The government is lying to the people, the traditional authorities are lying to the people, and these pastors, the clergy is lying to the people. Because when they lie to the people about the second coming of Christ, it's a lie. When they lie to the people about the destruction of this world and all of that, some God coming to destroy us, it's a lie. So you see, that is the problem we face as Africans. That is the problem. We have faith. They are lying to the people, and when somebody is also lying to the people, how can you dare challenge that person? Or how can you dare tell the people, tell that person that, hey, what you are doing is not good? You are equally doing what is wrong. The government is equally doing what is wrong. The pastor is equally doing what is wrong. The fetish guys, the traditional and all of that, they are doing what is wrong. And to be Kobiasam, and yet your mining. Yeah, they say it's your money. Yeah, they say it's your money. Charlie, I was at it here. Before Naba, heat Naba, Onia. TFNC as well as here. But problem in Yankwala, problem is from Pennyforno. The solution to the problem, and never beyond the name no crowd. What do you just say? Problem be bad. Shortcuts and do what is right. And what is right is passing a bill into law. Why did we elect you as our leaders? FNC. Some home kwa. Some home penny for a young modi chese. In some home kwa. So that's here. Aha. Johnny, join us. The Black Rights Movement is here. Join us. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. So that's here. Let the numbers keep rising, and once we have numbers, Charlie, we go hit these people in their head.